Hello everyone, I'm getting ready to make brownies. It's Sunday, January 25th, and we got a heck of a lot of snow last night. You can see all my flower pots are covered in snow. I'm getting ready to shovel the driveway with my hot hand warmers, and I ate all the brownies yesterday, and I was too lazy to bake cookies. Brownies is a lot quicker, so I'm gonna put some brownies in the oven while I'm shoveling because they take about 30 minutes. And to doctor these up, I'm following the recipe, and it's the standard water, oil, and eggs. And instead of the 1/2 cup vegetable oil, I'm substituting this blood orange infused olive oil. Not my idea. The company that I bought this from is the Olive Branch. It's a store in Herman, Missouri. And I was talking to one of the owners when I visited during the Christmas cookie walk, and she gave me this great idea. And so I'm going to try it to see if it really will change the taste of the brownies, to see if we can have some blood orange fudge brownies. So I'm going to whip this up real quick and then go shovel the driveway. Danny, do you want to help? No, he's looking for a snack. I keep their food in the laundry room. That's why they always hover over there. Well, I hope it works because it emptied out my whole bottle of olive oil, of the infused olive oil. And it does smell like orange. It absolutely smells like orange. All right. I did overspray the pan. That's what that little butter spray on the side is. So it's going in for 33 minutes at 350 degrees. So taste test time of raw batter. Does the raw batter taste like orange? It does. It really does have an orange flavor. Oh my God. I can't wait. It's subtle, but it's definitely an orange flavor. Here we go. Here are the brownies. It's been like 6 hours later. It's been a long day. So we're gonna give these a taste test now. Ignore my wonderful frizzy hair. I've been wearing a winter hat several times today. Here you go. Looks nice and chewy on the inside. Wow. That infused olive oil really does make it taste orange. It's so good. It's like, those chocolate oranges by that German brand that everyone buys at Christmas time? It's like 20 times better than that. It's very subtle. It's not overpowering. I would do this again, but make some sugared oranges slices and put on top for like a party. That'd be a good party snack. Oh my God, that would be so cute. You cut it in little individual squares and put a sugared orange slice on top. Oh my God, that sounds so good. All right. I think we're gonna go back to Herman at the end of February for another wine walk. I'm gonna stop by that Olive Branch again and see what else they got. Delicious. Highly recommend. Just a simple way to change the recipe up a little bit.